Continue present. Welcome to this course basic manufacturing process and unit 4 lecture 72, the manufacturing and line production or the product layout in continue in this video. Agenda for today present in this video, some of the main topic in this video, the line production and product layout and combination layout is the group layout, the shop layout and fitting shop layout and welding shop layout and forging shop layout and machine shop layout and types of production, all whole area in this, the all the topic in present in the detail is more. The line production of or product layout, in this types of layout all the machines are arranged in a line according to the sequence of operation. This is and the ideal form of layout in the operation is the production line layout and production layout of the handling for time is minimum consumed in these operations, and large number of products is completed in the system. The the short time, the advantage of the line production and the product layout, the main advantage of the line layout of the process, the relatively is less floor area as the the um, in this operation is the required for the less floor area is required. Production planning and control is the easier for the better coordinated in the, this is operation is the pronunciation of the production planning and control of the easy for better and conducted. The similar and the is similar in the process. Inventory is needed. Similar process is required for in inventory. Inventory is the required for the production time in the machine. Suppose there's grease and oils is required for the, this is the inventory. Flow or in the continuous and smooth in the workflow, this is operation in the workflow is continuous and smooth of the overall product completion in time is less. Suppose in this operation is in this plant and operation is required for the required for the time is very less of the complete of the product, and the less infection on less work in the process. This is the required for the less infection and less working in process. And easier for control is the easily for control of the operation. The line products of the product layout is the application of the process. The line layout is the commonly used for the continuous production which involve in the continuous flow of material from raw material storage to the finished product storage. In the application while in the operation, the first is the step or the raw material is collected in the plant, and second is the forming operation in the raw material converted into the mold form, and third operation is the complete for the turning of the job, and fourth operation is the drilling operation, and fifth operation milling, and sixth operation is the grinding of the product, and seventh is the machine is the working from the infection of the body, the testing of the body check for the product of the, and last in the checking from the finished product is complete for the working. Line layout is the disadvantage of line. The main disadvantage of the line layout is the present the less flexibility in layout. The flexibility is required for less higher capital investment of the needed. The higher investment of the capital, the rate of production, the rate of production is largely governed by the rate of the slower machines in the line layout generated the boredom due to the highly representative nature of the work. Combination layout or the group layout, the because of the much advantage and disadvantage of the associated with the both of product both processes layout as well as the product layout is the better result in achieve for in this line layout, and the combination of the product layout is the via group layout or the feature of both the layout into the a single ones of the operation. And this is known as the combination layout. In these types of layout are set of machinery equipment uh, grouped for together in a section, and so the this is the operation is used in the raw material is slotted for in this operation. First is the operation is the forming and hammering operation. Large component in the raw material, the raw component is the for converting into the small pieces of the raw materials by using of the forming and hammering operation. Okay. Second operation is the use for the infection of the raw material, and a check for the raw material is available for the product, and second step of the grinding operation is the this is the third operation is required for the all grinding operations all in this operation for the third fourth operation is required for the heat treatment of the materials. The check for the material is used for the product in the and the temperature of the material. The final infection is the required for the materials is the final of stage of the for- of the material is the converted into the raw material. The finished product is stored. This is the whole working of the plant is the this is the operation management. Operation is the consist of operation is defined as the word for the raw material converted into the finished product by using of the hammering, machining, and other types of other types of operation is required in this operation. The combination layout is group layout. The advantage of the combination layout, the main advantage of group layout is given. The combination layout is also known as group layout. Okay, the first is a reduction in machine step time and cost. The suppose the first step for the working on the reduce for the reduce for the time and cost of the during the production. Reduction in the material handling cost. जो the raw material handling cost is very less in this operation. The simplification of production planning and function. This is all the in this operation in the require for the production layer, planning and the function of required for the whole operation. And disadvantage of the main advantage of group layout for the as given the change of the existing layout, the change of the one position to another position to the group layout. This is the time consuming or the costly the installation of new component in the existing component, the familiar required through the analysis. The component that are the process on more than machine may be created in the problems in the combination or group layout of the component. The then this operation is the raw material is the converted into the finished product of the by require or the more operation is required in this is the combination layout. The shop layout. What is the shop layout? Shop layout is the in the marketing of the part of the shop layout. The technique for the achieving the economical arrangement for the manufacturing process in the conjunction with the plant service is called the shop layout. Require in the achievement of the economical arrangement of manufacturing process in the consumption of the plant service is called a shop layout. In the main objective to the efficient of the various machines and equipment of the particular shop, so that facility is the process, so the facility of product in the most different and economical manner in the minimum possible time. Okay, the different types of shop and the fitting shop layout. What is the fitting shop? This shop is the equally significant as the other shop, so form of the essential part of almost for all the workers. The various operation performed in this operation, shop layout is the performed in the fitting shop is the by this is a shop of the marketing and measuring department of the operation and industry. The hack for the sewing, fitting and clamping of the drilling and tampering of the operation. The fittings of layout is the fit in the one position. The fittings of plays in the very important role in the engineering concern leading to with the manufacturing and the repairing of the works for the final saving is done by hand operation is the feeling saw. The first is the grinding machine is in this plant, and second the power so is this is the power required for in this operation, and third is the bench of the drilling in operation, and fourth is a marketing table. This is the operation is the fourth, and the this is the marketing table of the whole of component. The working tables of the fifth operation, fifth to and all the area of the working of the tables in the form of in the 11th is the material is the check for the of the finished product in the change for room in the stored of the all of the material in the finished product in the machine. Thank you so much.